Well, hi there. Welcome once again to my channel. Today, I'll show you how you can easily enable all CORES on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified of the latest tech tips and tricks videos I upload. Now, you may have spent an awful amount of money to build that gaming or editing PC of yours. Maybe you got a laptop for Christmas and you know it's a powerful machine, but still, your computer is not responding the way it was meant to. Let me show you a trick that will make Windows 10 take advantage of the whole amount of processors you have installed. To do so, go ahead and hold down the Windows button key found on your keyboard, followed by the letter R. You should get a small window like so. Here, you can type the following. Once that's done, press Enter. You should now see a configuration window just like the one I have on screen. Here are some startup configurations that you don't need to worry about. Go ahead and select the Boot tab. Now, press the Advanced options. Notice the Number of Processors option not selected? Go ahead and check it. After that, click on the drop-down menu and select the amount of processors you wish to use from now on. Keep in mind, the total amount will depend specifically on the hardware configuration you are using in your machine. Once you are done, you can press OK on this window. Press Apply here, and OK. Make sure you restart your system for the changes to take effect. Now, the operating system is ready to fully use the amount of CORES you indicated. If you liked this, hit that like button. Do you want to know more tricks on Windows 10? Do you even use Windows 10 at all? Do you think monkeys will rule the earth? Leave your answer in the comments below. Cheers and take care.